pag-uusapan natin ang isang movie na talagang nagmulat sa maraming tao tungkol sa hidden struggles ng mga bata inside the classroom. The movie Every Child is Special tells the story of a young boy named Ishan na palaging napapagalitan at hindi maintindihan dahil hirap sa pagbasa at magsulat. At first, people around him thought na tamad lang siya, pasaway at walang effort sa pag-aaral. But later on, nalaman ang totoong dahilan ng kanyang struggles ay isang disability na tinatawag na dyslexia. Ito ay isang learning disorder that affects reading, spelling, and writing skills. The movie reminds us na hindi lahat ng disability ay visible. Some students are silently struggling at pinipilit na sinasabayan ang expectations ng school at ng mga taong nasa paligid. Kaya today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit importanteng maintindihan ang dyslexia at bakit kailangan ang inclusive education sa ating classrooms. Hanggang ngayon, maraming students inside the classroom ang na-misunderstood because our education system are still one-size-fits-all. Kapag hindi mabilis matuto ang isang bata, agad tinatawag na lazy or slow learners. Okay? May mga batang hirap magbasa, magsulat, o mag-spell. Pero instead na tulungan, mas napapagalitan pa sila. Dahil dito, maraming mga bata ang nawawalan ng confidence at iniisip na baka sila talaga ang problema. Sa movie, ganito mismo ang naranasan Ishan. Hirap siyang intindihin ng lessons, magbasa ng words, at gumawa ng school activities. Dahil walang nakakaintindi sa kanya, palagi siyang napapagalitan both sa school at sa bahay. Habang tumatagal, lalo siyang nagiging malungkot at nagiging isolated. According to the International Dyslexia Association, around 15 to 20% of population worldwide affected by dyslexia. Ibig sabihin, maraming students ang posibleng dumaan sa parehong struggles pero hindi nabibigyan ng support. Kapag hindi inclusive ang environment, students may experience anxiety, low self-esteem, bullying, or poor academic performance. Nakakalungkot isipin na maraming mga bata ang nawawalan ng pag-asa dahil pakiramdam nila sila ay hindi sapat. So ano nga ba ang solusyon? The answer is inclusive education and proper understanding. Inclusive education means creating classrooms where students with different learning styles and abilities feels accepted and supported. Hindi ibig sabihin nito ay special treatment kaagad, kundi pagbibigay ng tamang guidance based sa needs ng bawat student. Teachers and parents should understand na hindi pare-pareho ang paraan ng pagkatuto ng mga bata. Some students learn through visual, storytelling, art, or step-by-step instruction. Sa movie, nagbago ang buhay ni Ishan na makilala niya ang kanyang teacher na si Ram Shankar Nekam. Instead na pagalitan siya, inintindi muna siya at tinulungan gamit ang creative at patient teaching methods. Because of that support, slowly bumalik ang confidence ni Ishan at nag-improve siya both academically and emotionally. Studies also show that early intervention and supportive teaching methods help students with dyslexia perform better in school. Some people may think mahirap o magastos ang inclusive education, but sometimes simple acts of patience, understanding, and encouragement can already make a huge difference sa buhay ng isang bata. Now, imagine a classroom where the student feels accepted regardless on their learning differences. Imagine a students na hindi takot magbasa dahil alam nilang hindi sila pagtatawanan. Imagine a teacher who focus not only on grades but also on understanding their students. Kapag supported, ang batang may dyslexia nagiging confident na express nila ang kanilang talents at nagiging motivated sa pag-aaral, just like Ishan in the movie. But without this kind of support, maraming bata ang nagpapatuloy na mag-struggle silently. Some may lose confidence completely and believe na hindi sila matalino o hindi nila kayang magtagumpay. And that's heartbreaking because every child deserves the chance to learn and succeed. As a student and member of society, mayroon tayong role na gumawa ng inclusive na environment. We can start by avoiding bullying and showing patience toward classmates who struggles with reading and writing. Instead of judging them, mas magandang tulungan at intindihin sila. We can also spread awareness about dyslexia para mas maraming tao ang makaintindi na learning difficulty do not define person's intelligence or worth. Future educators should continue advocating for classrooms that support every learner. At the end of the day, being inclusive is not about too soft, but it's about understanding. Like the message of the movie, every child is special. Every child is special in their own unique way. Sometimes all they need is someone who is willing to listen, understand, and believe in them.